Welcome to the English Trainer. We are glad to see you again. Today's lesson: present simple tense verb to have. Vocabulary of the lesson. Conversation practice. Present simple tense of to have. The present simple tense of the verb to have is used to express possession, relationships, characteristics, and illnesses. Here's how it's used. I have a book. You have a car. We have a house. They have a garden. He has a dog. She has a dog. It has a dog. In questions and negatives, we use do or does for he, she, it before have. For example, do I have a book? Do you have a car? Do we have a house? Do they have a garden? Does he have a dog? Does she have a dog? Does it have a dog? And in negative sentences, I do not have a book. You don't have a car. We do not have a house. They don't have a garden. He doesn't have a dog. She doesn't have a dog. It doesn't have a dog. Examples of sentences using the verb to have in the present simple tense. 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters. Beautiful smile. You have a beautiful smile. In the city. A new job. He has a new job in the city. A lot of friends. A lot of friends. In school. In school. She has a lot of friends in school. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Test. To have a test. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow. A vacation. A vacation. Next week. Next week. They have a vacation next week. And in questions. Appointment. Appointment. Today. Today. Do I have any appointments today? Time. Time. To talk. To talk. Do you have time to talk? He. Siblings. Siblings. Does he have any siblings? A pen. A pen. Borrow. Borrow. Does she have a pen I could borrow? Milk. Milk. Do we have any milk left? Reservation. Reservation. Do they have a reservation? And in negative sentences, coffee. Coffee. Sugar. Sugar. I don't have sugar in my coffee. To worry. To worry. You don't have to worry about it. A car. A car. He doesn't have a car. Sandwich. Sandwich. I have lunch. I have lunch. She doesn't have sandwich for lunch. T-shirt. Have spots. Any spots? It doesn't have any spots. Meeting. Meeting. Today. Today. We don't have a meeting today. Time. Time. To play. To play. They don't have time to play.
Where does she have a house?
She has a beautiful house in the countryside.
When do you have a meeting?
We have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
How many children do they have?
They have 3 children.
Where does he have a new job?
He has a new job in the city.
Who has a great sense of humor?
You have a great sense of humor.
What color does the cover have?
It has a blue cover.
What has she got?
She has a headache.
Who has a lot of friends?
She has a lot of friends.
What do we have tomorrow?
We have a test tomorrow.
What do you have for dinner?
We have spaghettis for dinner.
Do they have a garden?
Yes, they have a garden. Do we have any milk left in the fridge?
No, we haven't any milk left in the fridge.
How much experience do you have in this field?
I have 3 years of experience in this field.
Does this restaurant have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have vegetarian options.
Do they have enough time to finish the project?
Yes, they do. They have enough time to finish the project.
What kind of pets do you have at home?
We have a cat, a dog, and a parrot at home.
Do we have fried eggs for breakfast?
No, we don't. We don't have fried eggs for breakfast.
How many books do you have in your bag?
I have 3 books in my bag.
Does she have a car?
Yes, she does. She has a luxury car.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers.
Does it have a warranty?
Yes, it does. It has a 10-year warranty. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Does she have a car?
No, she doesn't have a car. She prefers to use public transportation.
How many pencils do you have?
I have 3 pencils in my bag.
What would you like to have for dinner?
I'll have the spaghetti, please.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I have an allergy to peanuts.
Thank you for watching.